Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be continuing on from the last video. In this video we will continue to work on the layout, and we will add a board in for the Sudoku little project. And I already made this drawable right here, and I'll show you how to make it. With a drawable, right click, new, drawable resources file, orange, border. We'll need to change sector into shape. We'll have shape in here and make it into a rectangle. And here we had a stroke, solid, and corner. So we'll just copy and paste that in here. Stroke is the width right here, the outside of it. Solid is the color inside the stroke or the box. And the corners is how you want to bend it. And the stroke will be 4dp, solid will be color white, corners will be 2dp radius. And we'll change the color black to orange. We'll go to win or lose, and bring the orange color down to any color you like. Then we'll change black. Next, we are going to make the board. A grid layout, wrap content, row count will be 3, column count will also be 3. And what we're having is 9 grid layouts in one grid layout. So we're going to make another grid layout. In this grid layout, we'll have a layout width to wrap content, and layout height to also wrap content. Row count will be 3, column count will also be 3. And we'll change the layout column to 0 and layout row to 0. Inside here, we'll go to design and drag a button into okay. Now that we have a button in here, we'll name this B1. We'll change text to nothing. Text size. Let's make the text color black. And we'll go to background and change it into the black border. And after that, we are, other than changing it to route content, we're going to change it to say 40, 43 to 45. That's what we're having now. And basically what we're going to do is copy this. Okay, so we change it from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. We'll need to make this a little bit smaller. So all the 48. And after we do that, we are just going to copy it, paste it, and change the numbers. So what we're going to do is copy it, paste it, change the layout column to 1, and change this to A. After we did this, we need to change this right here into the orange border. Orange border. And there we go. Orange border. Okay. Then I'm gonna do the rest of this. We need to change it back from black to orange, and changing the grid view, the layout row and column one by one to get a 9 by 9 square. Alright, and I did all of it. I changed some of it, just a little bit. I changed the width and height to 39 dp, the width to 39 dp, height to 40 dp. I made the text size 27 sp, text style bold, and text color blue. And that's basically all I changed. Well, that's mostly it for the video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!